Today's lesson essential question is, how can we use doubles facts to find a near doubles fact? So, today we're going to be using doubles facts. And a doubles fact is when both addends are the same. So 4 plus 4 is a doubles fact. 5 plus 5, 8 plus 8, they're all doubles facts because the addends are the same number. Doubles facts are pretty easy to memorize. So we're using doubles facts to find near doubles facts. Now I'm going to show you in this lesson what a near doubles fact is. So we can use doubles facts to help find the sum of near doubles facts. Remember, a sum is the answer to an addition problem. And again, your doubles facts are when both addends are the same. So 4 plus 4 is a doubles fact, 5 plus 5 is a doubles fact. Near doubles are when one of the addends is one or two, a couple more than the first addend. So your addends are very, very close in numbers. So 4 plus 5, 5 is only one more than 4. 5 plus 7, 7 is only 2 more than 4. So a near double shows a digit that is very close to the other digit, but not quite exactly the same, not quite a doubles fact. So let's say we had the doubles fact 4 plus 4 equals 8. We know 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 8. Now what happens when we have 4 plus 5? 5 is 1 more than 4. So now I count, I have 4 plus 4 equals 8, plus 1 more equals 9. Let's try 5 plus 7. We know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. Our doubles fact, 5 plus 5 equals 10. 7 is 2 more than 5. So 10, 5 plus 5, plus 2 more is 12. So our answer is 12. So it's important to remember we can think of the answer to that doubles fact and then just add those extra 1 or 2 to get our sum.